Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. In today's session, we are going to learn a very interesting concept that how can we use ratios in our profit and loss and we can make the question simpler. Before we begin, these are some tasks that you have to perform. What are these tasks? First of all, you have to subscribe our channel if you haven't. Then you must join our Facebook and Telegram group, link to which is given in the description. You will receive a lot of notification and messages over there. And last but not the least, if you wish to receive these PDFs directly into your WhatsApp inbox, and if you wish to prepare, get TILR sets and everything, you just fill up the contact form and you will receive the messages. But there are a few conditions. You must save this number. You must save this number in your phone book. Also, you have to fill the form with the WhatsApp number. Okay. Now, let's move to the questions directly. This is the first question. If the ratio of cost price to selling price is 4:7 and to that of discount to profit is 3:4, find discount percentage. Now, what is one general approach that we follow in this question? We take the equations in x's and y's, or we apply unitary and then we solve it. Now, here what we can do, there is a very easy task. I know that cost price ratio selling price is 4:7. Now, cost price plus profit is selling price, which means profit is nothing but SP minus CP. So I can say SP minus CP. Here, my profit is rupees 3. If I'm assuming it to be 7 and 4, my profit is rupees 3. But when I'm talking about discount ratio profit, the profit is 4. Now, what if I use this ratio and convert this profit into directly this profit? Then I can map this discount somewhere and I can use this directly. Now, how will I use that? It's a very simple thing. Cost price to selling price, 4:7. The profit is 3. Profit to discount, it is 4:3. I want to make this profit same both the thing at both the places. And now what is LCM of this 4 and 3? LCM of this 4 and 3 is 12. So what I'll do, I'll multiply both the elements, both the ratios in such a way that it is giving me the profit as 12. Here the gap is 3. I want to make it 12. So multiplying by 4 into 4 into 4. This becomes 16. This becomes 28. The difference is 12. Now, to convert this into 12, into 3, into 3. Profit becomes 12 and discount becomes 9. So since these are direct values and not any percentages, we can now use it. Cost price and selling price. So cost price is what? Now if I can see, the cost price is 16 and the selling price is 28. The profit is 12. By this ratio is also giving me the profit as 12 and discount as 9. Now what is discount? If the discount is 9, what is market price? Market price is nothing but 28 plus 9, 37. यहाँ simple आ गया मेरे पास. अब अगर ये 37 rupees ये है, discount is 9, so what is discount percentage? Discount percentage is nothing but 9 by 37 into 100. So basically 900 by 37%. Whatever this values is, this is the final result to this question. Okay, so this is how you can use the ratios efficiently. We will solve another question, which is a good level question. Now, let's see this. Here, the ratio of discount percent to markup percent is 1:3. Also, the ratio of profit percent to that of percentage discount percent basically is 7:5. Now, can I use these values directly somehow? I cannot. Why? I don't have any starting point as in cost price, selling price, market price, nothing is associated. Also, I don't know what these percentages denote. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये percentages है, वहाँ पे वो direct ratios थी. I have to assume that them as x, 3x, 7x, 5x. This x represents something now. Okay, and we have no absolute starting point, so we have to use it somehow. Now, before we solve this question, let us understand another interesting thing. Let us say there is a cost price of rupees 100. कोई चीज है 100 rupees की. मैंने उसको मार्कअप किया 50% से, which means the market price is rupees 150. ठीक है. Now I am allowing a discount of 15%. I am allowing a discount of 15%. So, sorry, let's say I am allowing a discount of 10% to make the calculations easier. Let's say I am allowing a discount of 10%. Now, what is 10% of 150? 10% of 150 is 15 rupees. So, if discount is 15, market price is 150, what is left? Selling price is 135. So, if selling price is 135, what is profit percent? Profit percent is 35%. Now, why am I doing this? I need to understand what is the relation between profit percent, markup percent and discount percent. See, हमारे पास एक कॉस्ट प्राइस था. कॉस्ट प्राइस को मैंने पहले किसी नंबर से इंक्रीज किया और बाद में किसी नंबर से डिक्रीज किया और मेरे पास एक नेट रिजल्ट आया. देयर वाज सम नेट चेंज. ठीक है. अब इस चीज को आप परसेंटेज के कंसेप्ट से रिलेट करो. हमने कॉस्ट प्राइस के ऊपर दो क्यूमुलेटिव चेंजेस किए हैं, इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज. Okay, so whenever we have such things, we use the formula of net change as A plus B plus AB by 100 is equal to net change. We use this formula, right? Now, since we use this formula, so I know that what is A denoting. सबसे पहले मैंने उसको एक मार्कअप से बढ़ाया, तो A को मैं पुट करता हूँ क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंगली 50%, क्योंकि मैंने 50% से बढ़ाया था. ठीक है, 50%. डिस्काउंट वॉज 10%. डिस्काउंट जो है कम्युनिटी को कम कर रहा है, तो डिस्काउंट इज -10 plus 50 into -10 by 100. So what is it? It is 40 minus 5, that is 35, जो कि मेरा profit percent था. So if I have to relate them all, I will relate it in this way. I hope this concept is clear to you. Now let us see how I am going to use this in the question. अब मेरे पास क्वेश्चन में भी क्या है, कुछ ऐसे रेशियोज दी हुई हैं मुझे. ठीक है, मार्केट प्राइस टू डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज एंड देन प्रॉफिट परसेंट टू डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज. सबसे पहले तो यार, अगर मैं इन रेशियोज को यूज करना चाहता हूं, तो मुझे जो डिस्काउंट है, हियर इट इज 1, हियर इट इज 5, इनको एक कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाना होगा. यहाँ डिस्काउंट 5 है. ठीक है, लेट मी जस्ट क्लियर इट. डिस्काउंट टू मार्केट is 1:3. Profit to discount is 7:5. Now it is 5. इसको मैं यहाँ पे 5 बनाता हूँ, तो multiplying this both the ratios by 5, discount percent to market percent is nothing but 5:15, or I can say 5x and 15x. ठीक है, here discount to profit is 5:7. I can say 5x:7x. Now the profit percentage as we derived is market percentage plus discount percentage plus market into minus discount by 100. जो हमारा फॉर्मूला था net change A plus B plus AB by 100. I am using this formula जो हमने relationship set किया था. Now what is profit percentage? The profit percentage is 7x. What is mark percentage? Markup percentage is 15x. Discount was 5x plus 15x into minus 5x by 100. So 7x is equal to 10x minus 75x square by 100, or I can say minus 3x is equal to minus 75x square by 100. Now when I will solve this in a quadratic way, one of the solution will be x is equal to 0. But since x cannot be equal to 0, therefore I can just do this. I will just cut 1x from both sides. So minus 3 is equal to minus 75x by 100. So now negative gets cancelled out and x comes out to be 4. So you can see that x comes out to be 4, which means that this discount percent was nothing but 20%, market percent was nothing but 60%, profit percent was nothing but 28%. So these are the final takeaways. अब मुझे दिया हुआ है SP is 3840 and मुझे CP फाइंड करनी है. I know cost price plus profit is selling price. Profit है कितना? Profit है 28%. यानी कि cost price plus cost price का जो 28% है, this is equal to selling price, which means 128 times of 128% of cost price is equal to selling price, which is nothing but 3840. So from here, cost price is nothing but 3,000. So you can simply say that cost price is 3,000. This is how you solve this. Okay, so this is how we can use percentage and make the difficult question an easier one. Okay, I hope the concept is clear to you. before you go, there's a homework question for you. This is the question. You have to reply me in the comment box and I'll verify the answer. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please do share our YouTube channel to your friends, and also do subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.